Hey everyone, it's your friend and favorite vlogger Nash and welcome back to my humble YouTube channel. So, I think alam niyo na guys kung anong content natin for today.
Wow!
Yes, that's right. So, earlier, bored ako. So, I decided to ask some of my friends kung ano nga ba yung first impressions nila about me. So, I wasn't able to ask all of my friends kasi kung tatanungin ko lahat, for sure kulang yung isang araw. But, yun nga, nag-abang-abang ako ng mga kaibigan ko kung sinong online at fortunately naman, lahat ng ni-chat ko, they responded naman. So, yun yung mga babasahin nating first impressions for today's video. And with that being said, tara, let's begin. Tara, let's proceed to our first friend. And drum roll, please. Our first friend for today's video is Anne. So, I considered Anne to be one of my close friends ngayon in college kasi classmate kami since first year hanggang ngayong third year. So, ang first impression niya about me is tahimik. So, I think if tatanungin natin si Anne ngayon, kung tahimik ba ako, well, siguro away niya siya. But actually, Anne is one of the smartest friend I have. Kung, alam mo, masarap akong kasama si Anne kasi it's not just fun. Actually, may mga matutunan ka rin sa kanya pag kasama mo siya. So, hi Anne, I miss you. Next friend, let's proceed to our next friend. So, Mirfe. So, Mirfe is one of my closest friends here in college. Just like Anne, classmate kami since first year hanggang ngayon. And palagi ko to siya kasama like sa gala, sa lunch, sa school. Yun. So, her first impression about me is mama's boy vibe. Kasi nga nakapolo ka nung first day of school or first meet natin. Well, fun fact, actually sinadya ko mag-polo nung first day. Naka-pink polo yun ako nung first day. Kasi nga, syempre, di ba, first day of college, kinakabahan ka. So, dapat ang mga impressions ng mga tao sa'yo medyo reputational na malinis-linis, ganun. Hindi tayo pwede maging makalat sa first day of school pa lang. Kaya, kinandaan natin yung pagkuhan. Kaya siguro inisip ni Ma'am Shi na mama's boy ako. Pero true naman talaga na mama's boy. Pero hindi ganun ka mama's boy kasi like, bad boy na mama's boy. Something ganun. Medyo complicated siya, pero something ganun. So, from Mirfe, let's move on to Crystalline. So, just like Mirfe and Anne, Crystalline is my classmate since first year college hanggang ngayon. Crystalline is one of my closest friends din here in college at palagi ko rin tong kasama. Kami ni na Mirfe, palagi namin ito kasama. So, let's read her assumption. So, I thought totally gay ka na nagtatago lang. Tapos bye ka. Tapos the way you manamit dati since nakapolo ka over noon. So, I told you, medyo neat and tidy ako before. Ngayon lang naging makalat. I'm so sorry guys. So, I thought well-organized and oriented person ka, pero may time management naman din. So, I'll give her that. Tama siya sa time management. Pero medyo well-organized naman din ako, pero hindi lang ganun ka-organized.
Wow!
So, yun. So, let's proceed to Harun. So, just like Anne, Mirfe, Crystalline, Harun is my classmate and one of my closest friend. I can share some personal stuff with him kasi he's a good listener. Harun is a good guy. So, yun. Sabi niya, normal na student, energetic, di masyado competitive, pero diligent. Nice, and most of all, friendly. So, sakto siya sa friendly. Like, I can be friends with everyone. Kung napanood yung previous vlogs ko, sinasabi ko na I can be friends to everyone talaga. And diligent, I don't know. Pero, di masyadong competitive. Yun. Actually, I'm not competitive at all. Kasi, life is life. Life is not a competition, so why be competitive, di ba? Kasi we only live once, we should enjoy life. Kaya there's no time to make it na parang nasa competition siya. Kasi you're just competing with yourself. You're not competing to anyone else naman. So yun, I'm not competitive, Harun. Pero yes, you're right, I'm a normal student and energetic. So for today's video, ay hindi ko lang pwede ipakita yung full energy ko because it's night time. Kasi kanina nag-film ako. Pero, hindi ko alam ba't biglang nawala. So, yun. I'm so sorry. Kaya hindi ako pwede sumigaw ngayon kasi it's like 10 p.m. in the evening. So, yun. So, now let's move on to Christy. So, just like everyone else, he's one of my closest friends and palagi ko din to siyang kasama. Kami ni na Crystalline and Mirfe. So, sabi niya, according to her, matalino, cool, and friendly. So, of course, friendly.
Wow!
Pero ay hindi ako sure sa cool at sa matalino naman. Oh my God. No, sorry. Sir. So, yun. Let's move on to Jane. So, si Jane nga pala, I considered her isa sa mga close friends ko here in college. And just like everybody else, classmate kami since first year hanggang ngayon. She is one of my good friends at palagi ko kasama sa galaan. Yun. So, sabi niya, according to her, driven and friendly. That's why I approached you on the first day of our class at math room. Yes, I remember this one. Nagkaroon kami ng short conversation, math in the modern world, kasi in first class namin, first day of college. So, yun. That's how we became friends ni Jane. So, next, let's go to Erica. So, lahat naman sila dito, guys, close friends ko. Yes, close friends ko sila lahat. So, sabi ni Erica, for the first time, kilala kita, I thought you are the type of guy na seryoso. Seryoso naman ako. Erica, seryoso yun. May pagka-introvert. Yung to the point na pinipili mo lang ang circle of friends. Tapos yun nga, totally opposite talaga. Hahaha. Well, she said it herself na opposite talaga. Yung first impression niya sa akin, pati nung nakilala niya na ako. So yun yun. Kaya, Erica, if you watch this, I miss you. I miss you all. Wow! So, Kaylee. Next one is Kaylee. So, smart daw, talented, funny, haha, good. So, Kaylee is one of my mains din here in college. Isa siya sa mga source ng happiness ko nung this college. Alam niyo yung babaeng bakla pero babaeng Pilipina. Ganun. Magandang dilag din to siya, guys. So, Maricar. So, Maricar is one of my closest friend. Siya yung tipong tao na hindi siya ganun ka-loud at hindi siya ganun ka, like, super ingay katulad namin. But, pagkasama mo siya, still mag-enjoy ka at marami kang matututunan sa kanya, just like Anora. So, ganun klaseng kaibigan si Maricar for me. We share life experiences which is so good at marami kaming napagpupulutan ng aral sa mga life experience ng isa't isa. So, hi Be, I miss you. So, sabi niya, studious and smart. Be, sabi gato na hindi ka studious. And sabi tamin gato hindi you smart. Kotang-kota na ako sa pagiging matalino. So, yun. Next is Shabby. So, sabi niya yung Shabby, nerd. Pero friendly. Siguro, naisip ni Shabby na nerd ako dahil nga, polo boy ako before. Like, everyday, hindi naman everyday, pero like, most of the days, I wear polo talaga. Nung first week of college, polo talaga. So, yun. Now, let's proceed to Pauline. So, si Pauline yung isa sa mga kaibigan na iniiyakan ko. Every time, like, I'm full of, alam niyo yun, punong-puno ka na. Napapagod ka na sometimes. So, isa siya sa mga takbuhan ko. Pauline, I miss you. So, yun. Sabi niya, like, party goer. Haha. So, actually, Pauline is right. Party goer ako. But I don't go to clubs, pubs, or bars. Itong party na to, kasal, birthday, fiesta, mga ganun kasing party pinupuntahan ko. Like, guys, libre ng pagkain. Ayaw ko ba kayo? Diba? So, yun. Now, let's proceed to Jan. Sabi pa ni Jan, maingay at cool. Kasi yung sa math, maingay ka sa likod, ha? Tapos astig ka rin sa malamig. So, maingay, I'll give that to him. Kasi I remember first day of class, masyado akong maingay. I don't know why. At feeling ko, naaanoy ko na rin yung ibang classmate ko. So, I'm so sorry for that. Pero, yun nga. Sabi niya, cool. I'm not sure if I'm cool or not. I'm not sure. Then, astig sa pananamit. Actually, wala akong masyadong maraming damit. Pero nagiging statistician ako sa pag-combi ng gamit before. Pero as time pass by, nakakapagod na rin pala mag-OOTD sa school. Kaya yun, tamang t-shirt at pantalon na lang. Sign of aging, guys. Sign of aging. Yun. So, now let's proceed to Celine. So, besides Pauline, isa din si Celine sa mga runaways ko. Like, pag masama na yung... hindi naman masama yung heart. I mean, pag punong-puno na ako, isa rin to sa mga iniiyakan ko sa Celine. So, Celine, how are you? Yun, so sabi niya, wait, bulaog. So, bulaog in our dialect, parang basagulero. Grabe si Celine, halos lahat ng mga classmates natin sinabi na tahimik, ganyan, matalino, ganyan. Mamas mo, tapos ikaw basagulero. Bakit? Pero first impression lang naman yun. So, yun. After Celine, let's move on to Kausar. So yes, Kausar, just like everyone na na-mention ko, she's one of my closest friends din here in college. So sabi niya, mayaman, off-limits, matalino, and friendly. Guys, let's catch the matalino part because I'm not smart. Pero yes, I'm friendly, and off-limits, I'll give her that. Pero mayaman, I wish. Kausar, bukod ako dayan, Rayang, bukod. So yun, hi Kaus, I miss you. I miss all of you guys. Wow. So after Kausar, let's proceed to Rika. So, sabi ni Rika, outgoing and kind. Oh, thank you, Rika. Thank you. So, actually, Rika's right. I'm outgoing and I find myself kind naman. Pero of course, there are limits to our kindness. Pag punong-puno na talaga tayo, ganyan, di ba? So, yun. Now, let's move on to Gibson. So, just like everybody else, I consider Gibson as one of my closest friends here in college. Sabi niya, rich kid, since taga-UC at medyo mataray. Whoa! Siguro sa polo talaga yun, no? Nag-gives kung bakit mataray. So, yun nga. Earlier, I mentioned na hindi talaga kami mayaman. Mukha lang siguro. Pero hindi, talaga ba? Mayaman. Sana magpa-brace na kung mayaman tayo. At labas na lang gilagid ko, guys. Wala nga pang brace. Yun. So, thank you, Gibson. Miss you. So, ito na yung next. Friend na friendly talaga to siya. So, the next is Bobby. So, actually, hindi talaga Bobby ang pangalan niya, pero gusto niya tawagin siyang Bobby. So, yun. Let's respect. Respetuhin natin decision niya sa buhay, guys. Hi, Bobby. Ayun. Seatmate man tayo. So, kopyarol to. Uy, ang harsh mo. Uy. Totoo naman, pero uy, ba't ka ganyan? Nagsishare kaya tayo ikaw ah. Pero, totoo naman, kumukopya naman talaga sa kanya. Ayun. After Bobby, let's move on to Rhea. According to Rhea, nai-intimidate ako sa'yo. Gwapo na. Wow! Rhea, sure ka ba sa mga pinagsasabi mo? Seryoso? Gwapo. Wait. Ako lang to. Kapirasong laman. Char. Anyways, let's move on to Salima. Oh, yes, Salima. Just like Anora and Maricar, si Salima, isa siya sa mga kaibigan na hindi masyadong maingay, pero pagkasama mo, enjoy. Tapos, marami ka rin matutunan na life hacks kay Salima. When I say life hacks, alam niyo yung mga life learnings. Kasi, deep to si brother deep to siya. So, yun. So, sabi niya, friendly and smart na Vaklush. Vaklush? Natawa ko sa term. Sorry about the Vaklush brother. Akala ko kasi, haha, pero legit naman ang friendly and smart ka. Oo, legit na friendly ako, pero hindi legit na smart ako. Budol yun, friend. Budol yun. Speaking of being Vaklush, siguro kasi masyado akong malapot. Kasi, ano to, guys, when I like someone, despite of what gender, I like that someone. Pero, malambot din talaga ako sa person. Kaya siguro, Vaklush. Di ba, brother? Ayun. So, after Salima, let's proceed to Sheila. Hi, She. I miss you, She. So, Sheila, isa siya sa mga first friends ko in college. Hindi na kami classmate ngayon, pero isa siya sa mga first na naging close friend ko talaga. Kasi masyado siyang mabait, masyado siyang, bubbly as a person. So, that's what I like about Sheila. So, according to her, I am amiable daw and approachable. Guys, anong amiable? Comment down below nga kung anong amiable. Di ko kasi alam anong amiable. Pero approachable, gets ko naman siya. So, thank you, Sheila. Yun. So, yun, according daw to Sheila. Guys, pa-explain yun sa akin anong amiable. Hindi ko talaga alam anong meaning ng amiable. Ella. So, hi Ella. Kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, baka naman. Hindi. Isa si Ella sa mga naging close friend ko nung senior high school nung nasa UC pa ako. Kasi, kahit medyo tahimik si Ella, pag once naging kaibigan mo siya, magugulat ka na lang sa mga evolution niya. Like some very silent type, shy type na person, bigla na lang siya magiging dragon, loud, and she shines bright like a diamond. Char, I love you Ella, joke lang Ella. So, according to Ella, sorry best, si Ablayayot de ante sa gay bag ayun. So, yun diba? So, napagkakamalan talaga ako bading sa movements ko. Though, I don't consider myself straight naman, pero diba, kapagkamalan talaga akong bading. So, mahala na kayo. Okay, si Jade, isa to siya sa mga the originals. Wow. Kasi we're like friends since grade 7 pa. Nung, the old times. I mean, nung nagiging puberty ka pa lang, isa si Jade sa mga nagiging kasama at kaibigan ko. Yun, so, according to Jade, nerd, nung grade 7. Guys, I'm going to show you how I look like during that time. Kaya siguro nasabi niya nerd. Kasi kahit ako kung nakikita ko picture ko before, nasasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, mukhang nerd din talaga ako. Alam yung nerd na nang bubugbog gano'n. So, yun. So, next, let's proceed to Donna. So, just like Jade, we're like friends And I considered her one of the originals. Kasi nga, matagal na kami kaibigan nito at hanggang ngayon, we remain good friends. So back in grade 7, di ba grade 7, sabi ko sa inyo, akala ko di tayo magka-vibes. Ikaw kasing tipong akala ko bully. Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, mukhang bully din ako nung younger years ko. Pero ngayon mukhang nabugbog na. So, yun. Hi Jade, I don't, I miss you. So, now let's proceed to Mary Kay. So, just like Jade and Donna, Mary Kay is one of the originals because we're like best friends since grade 7. So, sabi niya, humble. Kailangan. No, not kailangan. Dapat. Yun. Stylish. Okay na? So, stylish. Okay tayo dyan. Comfortable. Siguro minimum niyang comfortable na kasama. Pero, I believe naman na may mga tao din talagang naaanay sa akin. And I accept that. Because no one really likes. We can say na everyone likes us naman talaga. So, let's just accept that. Diba? And kinda gracious and advisable. Pero Chris, ko sa gracious. Parang kaya man to sa kasi Lord kumigo. So, yun. Advisable siguro minimin niya na parang sometimes I give advice the way that I provide my help through advice siguro. Wow! Siguro ganun minimin niya. So, yun. Thank you, Mary Chris. I miss you. Now, let's proceed to Rene. So, according to Rene, I'm weird. Weird. Hanggang ngayon din naman weird ako. Di ba? So, Rene, I love you. I miss you, Rene. You know that I'm weird because I remain weird. Tama bang grammar ko? Wag na English yan. Tama na yan. So, from Rene, let's go to Velez. So, just like the other one, she's one of the originals kasi we're friends like in grade 7, like since grade 7 pa. So, sabi niya, nung grade 7 tayo na, since kayo yung magkasama ni Sheena, parang alam ko na saan ito papunta eh. Dati parang kayo yung mga like sa movies Banash, sa classroom, ang palaaway kung baga. Basta na sa aura lang man, pero yung nakausap na tayo, hindi naman pala. Tapos akala ko talaga magkapatid kami siya. Actually, we get this a lot, especially pag magkasama kami ni Sheena. Lagi nilang sinasabi na parang mangangaway talaga kami ng tao. Pero, uy, Alpha, ba't kayo ganun? Ang bait namin ni Sheena, ba't kayo ganun? Pero yun, thank you, Vel. I miss you, Vel. So, now let's proceed. Arian. According to Arian, yung mga tipid na magsagot, like, isa siya sa mga inner circles ko, pero approachable lang sinabi niya. Ba't ka ganyan, Diana? Pero thank you. Char. Hindi, yun nga, approachable daw ako. Approachable naman din. Ako nga nalaman na may boyfriend sa una, diba? Char. Di pa rin po sabihin. Pero since nasabi na, okay. So, now let's move on to Shirley. So, actually, Shirley, she's my friend since elementary pa. We're like good friends and we are still friends hanggang ngayon. So, sabi niya, cheerful, indulgent, syempre gwapo. Uy, wag ba kayo magsabi gwapo-gwapo? Baka ako lang to. Ano ba kayo? Ako lang to. Kapirasong laman. Itong kapirasong laman, natuto ko talaga to sa isang kaibigan ko. Nico. Oh my gosh. So, pakatif at super kulit. You got it right. You got it right. So, now let's go to Cassandra. So, of course, she's one of the originals. Kasi, if I'm saying original, I'm referring na matagal na talaga. Walang favoritism dito. The love I provide is equal, guys. It's equal. Wow! So yun. Sabi niya, my first impression to you is friendly, confident. There is an aura that sometimes makes me feel shy. Kasi maingay ka, ha? Wow, naiyak ka pa? Grabe ka, pero yun nga, actually, maingay talaga ako, guys. Ngayon, di lang ako masyadong pwedeng mag-ingay ngayon kasi gabi na. Pero, ang ingay ko talaga sa person. Kaya if you want to know me more, well, brace yourself. Wow. Brace yourself. So, yun. So, from Cassandra, let's proceed to Sheena. So, di ba nga, sabi kanina ni Veles, pag kami dalawa ni Sheena magkasama, mukhang mangangaway talaga kami. So, Sheena is one of the originals too kasi we're like friends since grade 3. Yun, ganun kami katagal na magkaibigan ni Sheena. At hanggang ngayon, guys, we're super, super close. Best friends ko to sila. Like, yung mga matagal na. Like, my mains. Kasi nga, originals, matagal na talaga since we've been friends. So, according to her, jolly at going na person, tipong di ka ma-bored na kasama, na di ka vibes best, ha? Uy, actually, we have the same vibes in Sheena. Actually, pag kami dalawa ni Sheena, alam niyo, pag mag-eye-to-eye contact lang kami, gets na namin agad ang sinasabi ng isa't isa, kahit through eye-to-eye contact lang. Ganun kami kalakas, kaya siguro iniisip nila na mangangaway kami palagi ni Sheena. Kaya, Sheena, shout out! Sheena, shout out! So, ayun. So, from Sheena, let's proceed to Kevin. So, Kevin is one of the originals also. We've been friends like since grade 3. Siya yung unang let's say, siya yung unang naging kaibigan ko nung I've transferred I've transferred from Tawi-Tawi to Vitali. Siya yung unang naging kaibigan ko kasi we both don't know how to speak Chavacano that time. And he's Bisaya and I'm Tausog and Chavacano, pero I really don't know how to speak Chavacano that time. So, we only use Tagalog as our main language. Kaya siguro kami naging kaibigan before dahil yun. So, ang sabi niya, makapalang mukha. Okay, tahimik, matalino at artist. May grabe ka sa makapalang mukha. Pero, you're right. Tahimik, that's a big no-no for me. And matalino. Artist siguro, medyo okay na. Wow! Basta Kevin, thank you. Huwag ka na mag-chat sa akin ng dapat mahaba exposure mo, okay na to. So, Mark is the next one. So, according to Mark, one of the originals din to. We're like friends in grade 7. Matalino. Mark, hiyang-hiya naman ako sa matalinuhan ni Mark. Sabi niya matalino daw ako. Eh ngayon, sa kanya ako may ng tulong sa physics namin. By the way, Mark, thank you so much for helping me in my physics assignments. So, yun. So, last two na pala, yun. Ina-enjoy ko lang basahin yung mga assumptions nila kasi guys, sometimes they're right, sometimes they're accurate, but sometimes they're far away from reality. Like, gosh. So, according kay Anthony, friendly daw. So, Anthony is one of my mains din. We're like friends since grade 7. Classmate din kami. So, friendly daw ako. Which is true naman, di ba? Wow! So, Russell, mukha kang matalino. Russell is one of my mains too. She's one of the original because we're friends since grade 7 hanggang ngayon din. So, ben kaskaw yung kate pagka-bright di miyo, pero hindi kacho bright, tabla kacho klaro, ha? So, yun. So, I think, sila lang nag-respond sa akin. So, yun lang naman yung mga sinasabi ng mga kaibigan ko tungkol sa akin. Jasmine pa pala. Hi, Basiwap, before I forgot. Kasi di ko na siya na-include dito, pero meron siya pala siyang entry. So, hi, Basiwap, I miss you. So, Jasmine, actually, she's one of the originals too kasi like kinder pa kami magkaibigan. Pero nawalang communication in between kasi nga nag-transfer ako from Tawi-Tawi to Zamboanga. Tapos, one time, nagkita kami, nung senior high lang nagkita kami, tapos I was like, oh my God, she's familiar. Tapos, I confronted her. Tapos, hindi niya pa na-recognize agad, pero, na-recognize niya rin. So, yun. Sabi ni Jasmine, mukhang mabait daw ako. Bait naman din. Bait pa? Tapos, nakakait. So, yun. So, that's it. That's all, I think. Yes. Sila lang naman nag-reply sa akin. At medyo mahaba na rin itong video na to. Feeling ko, hindi nyo na to tatapusin. So, yan. So, that's the impression of some of my friends. So, yun. I don't know if I can check you for today's video, pero kung may mga impressions kayo for me, just comment down below. And if napadpad kayo dito without reason, it's aside, wag so subscribe na daw dapat kayo. So, yun. So, keep rocking and keep the good vibes rolling. It's a friendly word na... Yeah, take two. Keep rocking and keep the good vibes rolling. It's your friendly vlogger Nas, and welcome back. Hope to see you guys in my next video.